Hello there and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to remove email address from your Instagram account. First of all, go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile button. Scroll down and you can find your email address here. If you want to remove your email address, just make sure you have inserted your phone number. Otherwise, you can't remove your email address. Tap on the email address option. Now remove the email address. After that, tap on the rat symbol at the top right corner. That's it. You have successfully removed your email address from your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.